Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to solve these kind of rational expressions. For solving these kind of expressions, first we'll find the lowest common denominator or lowest common multiple of the denominators. So here we have denominators 3x square, 9x to the power 4 and x plus 4. So 3x square is 3x square. This 9x to the power 4 can be written as 3x square times 3x square. So now in these two terms, we can take 3x square common. So our lowest common multiple will be 3x square times 3x square times x plus 4. Because we have 3x square and 3x square two times here. So we'll take one out because this is common to both these terms. So we have 3x square times 3x to the power 4 times x plus 4, which equals 9x to the power 4 times x plus 4. This is our LCM or the least common denominator. Now we'll simplify this. So we'll multiply and divide all the terms by the LCD or the lowest common multiple. So that's going to be 2 times 9x to the power 4 times x plus 4 divided by 3x square. This is the first term. Second term will be 9x to the power 4 times x plus 4 divided by 9x to the power 4. Third term will be 2 times 9x to the power 4 times x plus 4 divided by x plus 4, and all of these terms will be divided by the LCD. So whole divided by 9x to the power 4 times x plus 4. So here in the first term, this x to the power 4 divided by x square will be x square, and 3 times 3 is 9. So this is reduced to 3x square. In the second term, these 9x to the power 4 and 9x to the power 4 gets cancelled. And in the third term, this x plus 4 gets cancelled in the numerator. So we have 2 times 3x square times x plus 4 minus x plus 4 plus 2 times 9x to the power 4 in the numerator, and denominator is 9x to the power 4 times x plus 4. So let's multiply the terms and simplify it. So that's 2 times 3 is 6, 6x square. We'll do it step by step. So times x plus 4 minus x plus 4 plus 2 times 9 is 18, 18x to the power 4 divided by 9x to the power 4 times x plus 4. This is small bracket in between. So 6x square times x will be 6x cube plus 6 times 4 is 24, 24x square minus x minus 4, cause minus sign is outside the bracket, plus 18x to the power 4 divided by 9x to the power 4 times x plus 4. So let's write these terms in decreasing order of their parts. So first will be 18x to the power 4 plus 16x cube plus 24x square minus x minus 4 in the numerator, and the denominator will be 9x to the power 4 multiplied by x plus 4. So this is going to be our simplified answer. This is how we simplify these kind of expressions. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.